Wear eye protection and gloves, control dust, and keep the work area clear to prevent slips and trips during laundry room tile installation. When cutting tile, always wear safety glasses with side protection and a fitted dust mask rated for fine particulates or an NIOSH-approved respirator to avoid inhaling silica dust. Use water-fed wet saws or a tile cutter with a dust extraction attachment when possible to greatly reduce airborne dust. If you must dry cut, do so outdoors and downwind of living spaces. Protect your hands with cut-resistant gloves when handling sharp tile edges and chemical-resistant gloves when mixing thinset or grout. Change gloves if they become torn or saturated. Knee pads help protect your knees during long periods of setting tile, and a low stool can reduce strain when working at floor level. Ensure good ventilation when using adhesives, primers, or sealers by opening windows and running a fan to move fumes outside. Close the door to other rooms to limit vapor spread. Keep all tools, cords, buckets, and tile off the walking path and use bright temporary lighting to reveal uneven surfaces and tripping hazards so everyone in the house avoids the work zone. Common mistakes include neglecting dust control, which can create a health hazard and settle into ductwork. So always use wet cutting or a dust shroud and vacuum with a high-efficiency particulate air-rated vacuum after cutting. Another frequent issue is inadequate ventilation when working with solvent-based adhesives and grouts, causing headaches or dizziness. So ventilate continuously and take breaks outside if you feel lightheaded. Finally, leaving tools and loose tile on the floor leads to trips and broken tile. So establish a single material staging area and run extension cords along the wall or secured under flat cord protectors to keep pathways clear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and supports contractors looking for jobs by listing projects and letting users post their needs. We also host a discussion community so we can share tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have done similar laundry room tile projects.